This is Hefa Hardware. 6,000 square meters of precision manufacturing. We started in 2007. Today, we're a one-stop partner for custom metal parts. It begins here, our CNC department. 40 machining centers running day and night. The friction tolerance we can achieve is 0.01 millimeters. Next to it, our stamping division. 6 high-speed presses, delivering consistent quality. Then comes our screw line. 20 screw machines, 20 thread rollers. We make millions of fasteners every month. Right nearby, springs. 15 coilers producing everything from microsprings to heavy-duty ones. We also have 20 automatic lathes for high-volume turning. Precision, batch after batch. For surface finishing, Centerless Grinding gives you that mirror-like smoothness. Then deburring and polishing. Every edge, every surface, perfected. But speed means nothing without quality. That's why 15 QC inspectors check every single part. We attach great importance to the product quality of each product. And for critical dimensions, our CCD Vision systems catch what the human eye can't. 0 defects is the goal. Once approved, parts go to our smart warehouse, organized, tracked, and ready to ship. From the shop floor to the office, we move fast. Send an inquiry. Get a quote within 1 day. This is what we make. Parts for aerospace, medical devices, 3C electronics, defense, and agriculture. One drawing, one quote, one reliable partner. Hefa Hardware, ready for your next project. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Contact.